Hi, my name is TJ Singh and I'm the SIG product specialist at EandM in Southern California. Automation has drastically transformed factory floors, and machine vision is at the forefront of it. From becoming the eyes of the robot for localization to inspection in assembly lines and process control in various electronic industries, it does it all. The SIG machine vision portfolio is vast and caters to every need out there. In today's video, I will shed some light on our hardware and software solutions. The SIG 2D machine vision portfolio starts from our 600 series of programmable inspectors, goes to our powerful 800 series and beyond. And as you will notice, the programmable 61 series of inspectors with 1.2 megapixel resolution is a great fit for certain applications, while a 63 is a better fit where you need higher resolution with S and C mount options. And when we go to difficult application where 5 megapixel might be required, then we have the 83X color sensor with a faster CPU processor on board to handle deep learning tasks. The SIG machine vision solutions work on our standard Nova platform, which can do both rule-based machine vision tasks and also has the AI capabilities. Depending on the license that you select, it comes with onboard image processing tools. And the beauty about the platform is that it works both for our 2D and 3D vision sensors, and it comes pre-installed on the hardware. Let's jump in for a quick demo on the software platform. So I've used my browser to pull up the IP address for the camera, and that's how the interface looks like for the Nova 2D app. It's pretty intuitive. As you can see on the left side is our main navigation channel. And what I usually like to do is get a good image acquisition first. So for that, I have my live view on. And what I'll do is turn on my image acquisition controls here with the play where the camera starts triggering and the flash is going on right now. And I can always adjust my focus by zooming in here and playing with my focus on the camera. I can see if I have a sharp image, and it's right here, it's good. And then I can control the aperture too, which is good. And now what's really good with the Nova is you can also run our auto setup. So as soon as I click on it, it's going to get me a good contrast image with some recommendations, and obviously I can make changes on the fly too. So that's the recommended image right now, that's fine. I can also control other settings. And this, if you notice on the right side, no matter what I'm doing on my left, if I'm doing acquisition here, on the right side, I basically get a whole tool panel for everything that's connected to this tool set. Okay, so once that is set, we have our analysis tool tab, and this basically allows you to get different kinds of tool sets, and that will be related to the license that you have. So in my case, I have the 83X for the demo, which has the intelligent inspection license, which is represented on the bottom left right here. And with that, you do get all our quality inspection tool sets as well. So what they allow you to do is do different kind of quality controls. You can do different positioning tasks, dimensioning, presence detection, or just measuring along with the even localization. And we also have our OCR 1D 2D code reading on the hardware now. And one more thing that is super powerful about Nova is with this intelligent inspection toolkit, you do get these AI classification tool sets along with the AI anomaly detection that can do the processing for the training data and execution on the device itself. So that is pretty neat. And once you have a good image, you can always teach it as a reference image by clicking here. And once you have the reference image, obviously you can start adding all these tool sets that I talked about. And
start creating your job straight away. um, and in the next video I will show you how we handle 2D rule based application, and we also will do a demo on inspector 83, which we will use the AI toolsets. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the email provided on the screen.